What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. The Volcano update, I think, came out. And so we might now know the origin of the new, Gorilla Lava. Forgot their name. Don't question it. Gorilla Lava. Lava monkeys. You didn't hear that. Yeah, so we're gonna check it out today. Just got back from freshman high school. Weekend's about over. Can't wait for September 23rd. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna check out all the cosmetics and check out the new map. I don't even know if it is a new map yet. Yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, here we are in Stump. Let's check it out. The weather is usually cool this time of year, but forest is heating up. An active volcano has emerged. We can hardly near the lava bubbling over the eruptions of laughter. Check out the shop to grab fun gear to handle the heat and stylish cosmetics that will have you looking hotter than ever. Exclusive. The hashtag WeAreVR cosmetics will be in City Store for 24 hours starting on September 23rd at 1 p.m. East. Help us make history. Oh my gosh, this is going to be the biggest girl tag event. Alright guys, I also will do a video on that. Forced. Yo! The lava slingshot. It's 5,000. Anyways, oh yeah, I did actually see that. Anyways, so yeah, we got hammer, we got like a falcon, a pepper, a lava gem, a lava mug, a lava fan, a shooter, whatever from the last, whatever, like the paintball flashback. We got a new ring, a new badge, a new umbrella, new hat. Ooh, these are actually kind of cool. Oh my goodness. These are actually pretty cool. Alright, and then equip. Alright, let's go check these out. So first we got the slingshot. Ooh, that's cool. That's pretty cool. Then we got the volcano shirt. We got like the burnt shirt. We got this. I swear I just heard like a. I swear I just heard like a suit up thing or whatever. But yeah, we got the drip. I'm not tripping, bro. You guys heard that too, right? I'm not tripping, I swear. Then we got like the mad scientist hat. We got another cap. We got another umbrella. It's epic. We got a new badge, which I'm obviously gonna buy since it's free. You can hear it's literally a heartbeat. It's a torch! I'm gonna burn you. Alright, I'm gonna go grab the other items that unfortunately did not make it. So let's. Alright. So then here we got this combo. Pretty cool. We got. Ooh, it does a little effect. That's actually kind of cool. And then we got this new holdable. Does absolutely nothing. At least we don't know yet. I'm gonna bring your balls up. Anyways, we got a hot pepper. I wonder if this is gonna make my mouth hot. Come on. Oh! Don't question it. Anyways, we got this thing. In here. The, yeah. We got Yeah, you can drink lava now. Bonk. We got a fan to cool off. Anyways, let's go check. I'm gonna go try to find. I'm gonna go find where the new map is. All right. Actually, first, I'm actually gonna go buy the badge real quick. Did the badge make it? All right. Never mind. I'm not gonna buy it right now, but I'm actually gonna go see if I can see it right here. Oh my goodness. I have no word. Yo! Oh, yo. It's like a tiny volcano. Stones! The added stones. Ooh, what the? Wait, what? You can fill it up. I'm filling it up. Is it gonna erupt? Yo. Yo, it's erupting. Uh-oh, floor is lava. Oh, no. Uh-oh, I may or not have just created floor's lava. Yo! This is so sick! I wonder what happens when you touch it. Alright, we're gonna go over here and see what happens. You can swim in it! That is so weird. It literally just sounds like water. Yo, this is actually sick. I kind of want to get rid of it though, to be honest. Bro, it's like floor's lava now. That is so cool. It's so hard to get out. Alright, anyways, we're gonna leave you behind. Oh, what the? I'm all orange. Okay, that's actually, yo. Wait, what happens if okay, well, I guess I'm orange now. Oh. I'm blue now. Okay. This game is not making any sense right now. And supposedly the new entrance? No. Where is the new entrance? Oh, you know what? I'm gonna go look where the new entrance is real quick. Well, guys, sadly, there was no new map, but with the new blowtorch, you can actually roast marshmallows. So, hey, another fact. But yeah, no new map. They might release it tomorrow, I don't know. But tomorrow, there is a 24-hour event, which I'm definitely going to be on. Definitely going to record a video. So stay tuned. One more hour. No, not one. A day left. Okay? No, no, the voice did not cut out. Get pranked! Oh yes, yeah, I'm not cutting off right here. Make sure you like and subscribe. And so yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna record a video. I don't know why there's long pause. I was thinking of what to say. I do not pre-record this. Bye! Get blowtorched!